We're out here, guys, today installing this Wholehouse fan, Stealth Pro Series in El Dorado Hills. Its main purpose is to bring in the fresh air from the outside into the home, then all the hot air, all the odors from inside the home, out to this duct, to the attic, and out the gable band it goes, which is going to keep your home cooler and your AC off, saving you money. Don't we all like that? And over here, guys, follow me, check it out. As well, we also installed this attic fan, goes mounted on the gable. So now this fan's purpose is to pull out all the hot air from the attic out this way. So now we're gonna keep the attic cooler, keeping the inside of the home much cooler. How about that? Give us a call, 916-291-0270 for a free in-home estimate. How was your experience with Gold Standard?
Perfect. Absolute professionalism all the way through.
And that wraps it up for this video, guys. If you have any questions about these attic fans or whole house fans or heating and cooling needs, give us a call.